A microgrid is a localized, self-sufficient energy network that generates, stores, and distributes power within a defined boundary, such as a campus, hospital, military base, factory, village, or neighborhood. It typically integrates renewable energy like solar and wind and battery storage. It can connect to the main utility grid but can also seemingly disconnect to operate independently. Island mode during outages. Advantages of microgrids: improved reliability and resilience. Power can continue flowing during grid outages. This is especially important for hospitals, data centers, and emergency services. This reduces dependence on fossil fuels. Better integration of renewable energy. Microgrids can easily incorporate solar and wind power. Increased energy efficiency. Electricity is generated closer to where it is used, reducing transmission losses. Energy access for remote communities. Microgrids can provide reliable electricity in locations where extending the main grid is difficult or expensive. Challenges of microgrids: high initial installation cost. Installing solar panels, batteries, control systems, and infrastructure requires significant investment. Complex control and management. Multiple energy sources and storage systems must be coordinated in real time. Regulatory and utility interconnection issues. Connecting a microgrid to the utility grid often involves technical and regulatory requirements. Battery limitations. Energy storage systems can be expensive and may require replacement over time. Renewable energy variability. Solar and wind power depend on weather conditions, making proper energy management essential. As renewable energy adoption continues to grow, microgrids are expected to play an interestingly important role in the future of modern power systems. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our list.